I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song from 1929, Painting the Clouds with Sunshine. This life's a play from the start. It's hard to play through a part when there's an ache in your heart all day. I have my dreams till the dawn. I wake to find they're gone, but still the play must go on. They say, when I pretend I'm gay, I never feel that way. I'm only painting the clouds with sunshine. When I hold back a tear to make a smile appear, I'm only painting the clouds with sunshine. Painting the blues, beautiful hues, covered in gold and old rose. Playing the clown, trying to drown all my woes. But things may not look bright, they'll all turn out alright if I keep painting the clouds with sunshine. Painting the blues in beautiful hues, coloured in gold and old rose. Playing the clown, trying to drown all my woes. Things may not look bright, they'll all turn out alright if I keep painting the clouds. Painting the clouds, painting the clouds with sunshine. As I say, this song is from 1929. The music was written by Joe Burke and the lyrics by Al Dubin. And it first appeared in the 1929 musical film Gold Diggers of Broadway. The film is now mostly lost, and the scene featuring this song, sung by Nick Lucas, is one of the only surviving parts of the movie, which also includes the song Tiptoe Through the Tulips. In 1951, there was a Technicolor musical film of the same name, directed by David Butler and starring Dennis Morgan and Virginia Mayo, and it also includes a song, but with the singing voice dubbed by Bonnie Lou William. It's been recorded by Johnny Marvin, who was known as the Paganini of the ukulele, and by John Goldkick. Bing Crosby sang it, recorded it in 1951, and there are many others. Well, this song is in the key of C, and the opening is just sort of introduction, you can more or less speak it. This life's a play from the start, C major 7, it's hard 10, C6 play, through a part back to C major 7, while there's a C again, in a heart, or G7 all day. I have my dreams till the dawn, a C major 7, C6 again, all the open strings, find they are gone, but till the play must go on. They G then a G chord, they change to G7, then we start it properly. When I beat C, I'm gate F, I never C again, way, G7, painting the clouds with C, then a little fill in, C sharp, diminished 7, very easy chord, G7, just fills it in. Then back again to the C, hold back a tear, an F chord, to make a smile appear, G7, I'm only painting the clouds with C. Then we go into the middle section, C7, take it to the chord of F, painting the blues. Now an F minor chord, which is this, but if you find that difficult, it is a bit of a stretch. You can always play a D minor shape at fret 5, but not playing the top note. That's an F minor chord. Then E minor, going to a C7, playing the crown F, and then back to that C sharp diminished seventh. Oh, my D7, I'm using the Hawaiian D7 here, G7, then we're back to the same pattern as before. And Ingrid is singing, things may look so bright, they'll all turn out alright, if you keep painting the clouds, painting the clouds, painting the clouds with sunshine. That's just an A7, D7, G7, very common little sequence. Anyway, it's a nice song, quite well-known song and quite popular in its time, and I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, whatever you do and how you do it, as always, have fun.